Today we'll go from this to this. If you listen what's happening here, we have two synths, but they are talking past each other, so they are talking both at the same time. They are not listening to each other. I have here my free low-end light pack. We are at 132. Let's put this into context. Let's head here a low end. It sounds like this. And I'm going to give you the example that it's from a track that I'm working currently on. And here what you see is that this synthesizer is going to make what we call a question, and this one on the second part of the bar is going to give you a response. So this is called call and response, and it sounds like this. Call, response, call, response, or question, answer. Now with the low end to give you some context. As you see, first part of the bar, synth 1 makes the call, and then synth 2 makes the response. And this is not something new, this is something that it's millenar, started from the drums in Africa, that you have one drum that asks pum pum, and the other drum that replies pum ton ton ton, something like that, right? If you enjoyed this video, if you got value from it, please don't forget to like and subscribe.